So, hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal, legal advisor at Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the second part. Basically, this is the second part of the first video in which we have already discussed what are the features of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution and what is its definition. By definition, what it says, right? So, in this video, in the second part, I am going to discuss with you its meaning and scope of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So, let's start the discussion without any further delay. The right to life in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution does not mean animal existence or the mere act of breathing. It guarantees the right to a dignified life. Some of the rights that are currently included in the ambit of Article 21 includes mentioned in Menka Gandhi case. This is a very famous and landmark judgment. Hope you had read about the same. If not, go basically it's on Google. You can Google it and read about the same. What is all about this landmark judgment? So in that case, the court discussed the right to life, right to live with human dignity. Article 21 will cover these things I am going to discuss with you. The very first is right to live with human dignity. The second is right to a decent environment, including pollution free and water and air and protection, right? And the third one is against hazardous industries basically, and the third one is right to livelihood. The fourth one is right to privacy. We all know what is right to privacy. This is very important for you to understand it. Please do search on Google and make a search report. What is Article 20? What is right to privacy? Covers. Let me know in the comment section. We'll cover that same in the next video, right? So the another is right to shelter. The next one is right to health, and the next one is right to free education up to 14 years of the age, and the next one is right to free legal aid. The next one is right against solitary confinement and right to speedy trial. This is also a fundamental right. Right against handcuffing, right against inhuman treatment, right against delayed execution, right right to travel abroad, right against bonded labor, and right against custodial harassment, right to emergency medical aid, and right to timely medical treatment in a government hospital, right not to be driven out of a state, right to a fair trial, and another is right of prisoner to have necessities of life, right of human to be treated with decency and dignity. Another is right against public hanging, right to be right to hearing, and another is right to information, right to reputation, right of appeal from a judgment of conviction, and right to social security and protection of the family. The another is right to social and economic justice and environment, right against bar fitters, and right to appropriate life insurance policy, and right to sleep, right to freedom from noise pollution, and right to electricity. I hope you understood what I have discussed in the same video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel Dialyzy, because we always come with some new legal content and new business ideas on the same channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.